Hey, my name's Kyle Hodge, and today I'm going to be explaining to you how to uninstall and install motherboards. First thing I'm going to talk about is the CPU. That is located here, underneath this fan, and the fan, which is on top of a heatsink to help keep the CPU cool. The CPU is underneath there. This is the location of the CPU. Now you can also see a couple slots for RAM right here, and two extra slots here and here. That's where you'll be fitting in your RAM. Moving on to the southern part of the board, the first thing we come to is the graphics card. This is an AGP slot, AGP graphics card, plugged in right here. Underneath, you'll see a number of white expansion slots. These are the PCI expansion slots. Those can add anything from a sound card to extra USB ports to a number of things. Network cards, all kinds of things.